Okay, if you're watching this quick video, that means you have passed the integer unit, so congratulations on passing the integer unit. Okay, today's quick lesson is on substitution. Now, substitution is all about replacing the variable with a number value. So what happens is they tell you what the number values go with each variable, you just replace them in the expressions. So we're just going to go through 4 quick examples on substitution. So over here we have all our variables and what number value they represent. So a equals 5, b equals 3, c equals -2. So when you come across the expression, all you do is replace the variable with that number value. So let's take a look at number 1. So number 1, we have 2a plus b. Just replace the number value for each of these variables. So it's now going to be 2 times 5 plus 3. I replaced the a with a 5, the b with a 3. What you have to realize here is that there is multiplication between the coefficient and the variable. So this is 2 times 5 plus 3. Of course, according to your order of operations, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Okay, take a look at problem number 2. Here I have 3 times the sum of a plus b. So now we just replace or substitute in our number values for each variable. So leave the 3 outside. Inside our parentheses, we replace the a, or substitute in 5 for a, substitute 3 in for b. And again, you go back to your order of operations, which you should already know. Do inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 3 is 8. And all you're left with is the multiplication between the 3 and the 8, which is now 24. Okay? So just 2 quick problems left here. Here we have a squared plus c. Now don't be nervous or scared because we have an exponent here. You still follow your rules that we just talked about before. Replace your number value for a, which was 5. So now instead of a squared, after you substitute, it's now going to be 5 squared plus c, which is -2. Okay? We don't do any addition yet. We save that for last. We have to take care of our exponents first. So 5 squared is 25. And 25 plus a -2 after you go through your rules for addition of adding numbers with different signs, which really means you subtract 25 and 2, which is 23, and it's a positive 23 because the bigger number is positive. Okay, and finally the last one, all you do again is substitute in your number values into the expression. So it's now going to be 5 squared minus, parentheses, well, b is 3, plus a -2. So again, you have to follow your rules of operations, your order of operations. So you're going to do 3 plus a -2, which is a positive 1. So you have 5 squared minus 1. Exponents come next, so 5 squared is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. Okay, so at this time you can begin your order of operations worksheet.